So my name is Annette and today we're going to dance a Charleston set to a song called Pencil Full of Lead by the mighty, wonderful Scottish Paolo Nutini. So we're going to start our dance by playing the pretend drums. So can you imagine you've got two drumsticks in your hands and you can play them however you'd like to. We're then going to match the trumpet sounds we can hear in the music with playing the valves. So we're going to use our trumpet fingers here and then we're going to go up high, down low, we're then going to swap to the left side, playing our trumpet, wiggling whatever you'd like to wiggle. We're then going to go up high, down low. We're then going to arc all the way around in a circle to end up on this side with one hand on top of the other one. So, shall we give that much a go?
Oh, one, 2, 3, 4.
So, that's the introduction to our song, and really, if you fancy doing your own funky moves, that's really great. From here, we're going to either bring your hands to your knees or your knees to your hands, whichever one is more comfortable for you. So we have two on the right. We're then going to swing our arms out and across and out and together. So the same thing on the left. At the same time, you may have seen this move before where we swap the knees round. So I'm going to do it like this, just for the ease of copying, but feel free if you want to do a funky version where you're actually making contact with your knees. That is great. So we have all the way across and then we bring our hands together to the same thing on our left. We then go out and across, and your knees, just without the hands. All I'm doing is bringing my knees in and out. Nice and relaxed. It shouldn't hurt if it's a bit painful. Just don't go in quite so far, just a little wiggle. So we have 2 on the right, and across, cross, cross, 2 on the left, and out, across, and out, and cross. From here, we're going to finish this little phrase by doing the iconic Charleston move. So we're going to step forward on our right foot, we're going to kick the left, we're going to step back on this left foot and tap the right foot behind. I'll do it slightly sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So my right foot's coming forwards, I'm kicking my left, and it's going to go behind. So, whole thing. We've got 2 taps, we're going to step forward on our right foot, step the right, kick the left, step back on this same left foot, tap it behind, and then once more, exactly the same. You'll see I'm doing this with my hands, don't overthink it. Whatever funky swing, funky move you'd like to do is perfect. So let's give all of that a go, starting from our drums from the beginning.
One, 2, 3, 4. My bed and a pillow for my head. I got a pencil full of lead and some water for my throat. I got buttons for my coat and sails on my boat. So much more than I needed before. I got money in the meter and a turbo heater. Oh, and now it's getting on the road. So they get sweeter.
Awesome. I hope that was okay. We're going to move on now to our next move. So you're going to waggle your right finger. So when I say waggle, literally just your right hand while your left hand is on your waist or tucked in behind. And as we step out of this, we just keep going. So we go out, together, and then you can choose. You can either take 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to swap to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, walk, walk. Or if you're feeling particularly bold and adventurous today, you're very welcome to try it like this. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, 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 and then we swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, 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 stop. So for the purposes of this video, I'll be going 4, 3, 2, 1, just to keep things simple. But feel free to wiggle and shimmy as much as you'd like to. When we have gone once to the right and then once to the left, we have like a compacted mini version to finish this phrase. Paolo Nutini sings, nothing's gonna bring me down. Great. So can you waggle your finger? So we've got 2 on the right, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. And you'll see I'm sort of pulsing my feet. If you think, yeah, I'm good with that, great. If you want to add a step, step, step at the time, feel free to do so. So we're going to try everything from the beginning, starting with our imaginary drum kit.
Oh, one, two, three, four. My bed and a pillow for my head. I got a pencil full of lead and some water for my throat. I got buttons for my coat and sails on my boat. So much more than I needed before. I got money in the meter and a turbo-heater. Oh, and now it's getting on the road. It's only getting sweeter. I got legs on my chairs and a head for a hair. Potted up pan and some shoes on my feet. I got a shelf full of books and most of my teeth. Few pairs of socks and a door with a lock. I got food in my belly, analyzes for my telly, and nothing's gonna bring me down.
Okay, now the music there goes back to the beginning, so you can hear the same trumpet motif that we did at the start, so we will repeat that there. We'll then do that's in the music, a straight repeat. So there's only one more thing I need to teach you really. This move I like to call, I've heard it being called falling off a log. So you imagine that you're balancing on a log and then you lose your balance and then you swap or you try and balance on the other leg. So with your hands, we're reaching this way, and at the same time, our right leg is kicking twice. So we have 1, 2, and then you can choose. You can either just bring it down and then swap to the other leg. 1, 2, put it down. 1, 2, and so forth. Or you're very welcome to add 3 steps in between. So we get like this. 1, 2, then step on this right foot, right, step again on the left, step again on the right, to then go kick, kick. This time will be your left foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, run, run, run. So whichever version you want to do, whether it's nice and calmly swapping it over or adding in that little running step. Tickety boo, pick your favourite. We're going to do that 4 times. So right side, left side, right side, left side. And we're going to finish this phrase off by doing a funky turn all the way round. Now all I did there with my hands was I stretched my fingers and I gave them a little wiggle as I turned around via the right. If you think, yeah, I'm alright with that, a little arch back is quite funky and quite nice, so feel free to add that in if you'd like to. So we're going to try just that bit we just practiced, the falling off a log, with the music. And those are all the moves we need for our Charleston. So, as a bold move, we're going to try and put the whole thing together now. You'll see there are some things that repeat, and I'll try and leave my with what's coming next with the gestures so you know. But just as a quick reminder, we had our motif where we swapped our knees, we had all of this, we had our kick forward and backwards, we also had our I've had an idea motif where we travel to the side, and finally the one we have just been practicing just now, which is our fall off a log. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, this one. In this video I'll swap between doing a relaxed version and then 3 steps. So whichever one's better for you, just ignore the one I'm not doing, if that makes sense. So let's give it a try, starting from our drum kit. And at the end there'll be some freestyling happening. So I'll go back to the beginning where we were playing our trumpet, and we'll finish with a big drum solo at the very end. Let's give it a try.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bed and a pillow for my head. I got a pencil full of lead and some water for my throat. I got buttons for my coat and sails on my boat. So much more than I needed before. I got money in the meter and a turbo-heater. Oh, and now it's getting on the road. It's only getting sweeter. I got legs on my chairs and a head for a hair. Potted up pan and some shoes on my feet. I got a shelf full of books and most of my teeth. Few pairs of socks and a door with a lock. I got food in my belly, analyzes for my telly, and nothing's gonna bring me down. nice guitar and ties in my car. I got most of the means and scripts for the scenes. I'm out in a box, so I'm in with a shout. I got a favourite chat, but better than that, food in my belly and a license for my daddy, and nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm out of blow that hard, man. Nothing's gonna bring me down, oh, boys, the best of all, I've got my baby. Oh, best of all, I've got my baby. She's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. No! Oh, best of all, I've got my baby. Oh, best of all, I've got my baby. She's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. Oh, she's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. She's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. What did they? Oh no.
Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have enjoyed dancing Parliament Pencil Full of Blood there. Thank you for coming. I'll see you soon. Bye.